Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vaishnavi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of CSE AI. Today I will be discussing major MCQ questions of Indian Constitution which are oftenly asked in exams. I will be discussing five major topics. Those are making of Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, limitations in different complex situations, Union Executive President, Prime Minister, Union Cabinet, judicial parliamentary reviews and judicial activism, amendment to Constitution emergency provisions. Let us begin with first topic, making of Indian Constitution. First question: Directive policies come under which of the Constitution? Options are Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Correct option is Part 4. Second question. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by. Options are Prime Minister, Planning Commission, President, Chief Justice. Correct option is President. Third question. The Constitution of India is. Options are rigid, partly flexible, very rigid, partly rigid, and partly flexible. Correct option is partly rigid and partly flexible. Fourth question. The preamble of the Constitution of India was flashed for first time by four times, thrice, once, twice. Correct option is once. Fifth question. The ideas of Constitution of India was flashed for first time by options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct option is Mahatma Gandhi. Now let us go to the second module of topic fundamental rights limitations in different complex situations. First question. The fundamental rights granted by the Constitution of India to its citizens cannot be suspended. Options are expect by an order of Supreme Court under any circumstance, expect by an order of President during national emergency, expect through an order of President during war. Correct option is expect by an order of President during national emergencies. Second question. Freedom of press is included in. Options are right to carry on any profession, right to personal liberty, right to education, right to freedom of speech and expression. Correct option is right to freedom of speech and expression. Third question. DPSP directs the state of safeguard. Here, DPSP is Directive Principles of State Policy. Options are wildlife, the right of SCs and STs, the right of workers, especially women, the judiciary from external interference. Correct answer is the judiciary from external interference. Fourth question. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution on the recommendation of options are Karan Singh Committee, Charan Singh Committee, Moharam Singh Committee, Swaran Singh Committee. Correct option is Swaran Singh Committee. Fifth question. The Constitution lays down how many fundamental duties? Options are 11, 15, 7, 6. Correct option is 6. Now let us go to the next topic of third module, Union Executive, President, Prime Minister, Union Cabinet. First question. The Cabinet mission came to India in. Options are 1944, 1995, 1946, 1943. The correct option is 1946. Second question. The Union Executive of India consists of. Options are the President, Vice President, Lok Sabha Speaker and Minister. The President, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, the President and the Council Ministers only, the President, Vice President, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Here, the correct option is the President, Vice President, Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Third question. The Constitution of India vests the executive power of Union of India in the options are Parliament, President, Council of Ministers, Prime Minister. Option B is correct. Fourth question. How many seats have been reserved for Union territories of Lok Sabha? Options are 25, 30, 20, 60. The correct option is 20. Fifth question. Who is the Union President of India currently? Options are Patil One, Draupadi Muram, Suchiti Kiripalin, Maureen Azad. The correct option is Draupadi Murmu. Let us go to the next topic, Judicial Parliament Reviews and Territorial Jurisdiction. First question. In spite regarding the elections of President can be heard at options are original jurisdiction of High Court, original jurisdiction of Supreme Court, Parliament, Natural Commission. Correct option is original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Second question. Supreme Court of India enjoys the power of judicial reviews, which means the power of. Options are review the judgment of high courts, review the functioning of counseling of ministers, decide the constitutionality of an act passed by the legislature and the order of executive, advise the President of India. The correct option is decide the constitutionality of an act passed by the legislature and order of executive. Third question. The Gawat High Court has territorial jurisdiction over number of seats. Options are 2, 7, 6, 3. Correct option is 7. Fourth question. The situations that leads to judicial activism are options are when the legislature fails to discharge its responsibilities, in case of young legislature where the government is very weak, when the government fails to protect the rights, when a party in power misuses the court of laws. Here, for fourth question, all of the above is the correct answer. Fifth question. Judicial activism is a practice of using courts' authorities to examine state actions according to Article 13 and 32, Article 32 and 226, Article 223 and 122, Article 32 and 79. Here the correct option is Article 32 and 226. Let us go to the next topic of Module 5, Amendment to Constitution and Emergency Provisions. First question. Which amendment deals with establishing the municipalities in the constitution system? Options are 76th, 44th, 74th, 86th. The correct option is 74th. Second question. Which amendment of constitution is called mini constitution? Options are 61st, 44th, 73rd and 42nd. The correct option is 42nd amendment. Third question. 74th amendment of constitution refers to options are rural local bodies, urban local bodies, right to poverty, defection. The correct option is urban local bodies. In which article the emergency provisions completed? Options are Article 368, Article 352 to 360, Article 369 to 392, Article 393 to 395. The correct option is Article 352 to 360. Fifth question. The emergency provisions are contained in which part? Part 11, Part 17, Part 15, Part 3. The correct option is Part 17.